Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make chicken momos. Make this all-time restaurant style appetizer at home and enjoy it anytime you crave some. Making 3 types of momos: steamed, shallow fried with some BBQ sauce, and the last one is deep fried. Have a look on my video. First step is to knead the dough. Take a bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Goes in 1½ teaspoon baking soda, ½ teaspoon salt. Mix well. Now adding some water to knead the dough. Knead to a stiff dough. Drizzle some oil on top of the dough. Close it and keep aside for 30 minutes. Second step is to make the chicken filling. Add 500 grams chicken boneless cubes. To this I am adding ½ cup chopped spring onions, 1 tablespoon chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon chopped ginger, 1 cup chopped coriander leaves, 2 chopped green chillies, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 teaspoon peri powder, 1 teaspoon soya sauce. Mince it nicely and keep aside. Third step, now divide the dough into equal small portions. Shape them into balls and roll them out thinly to a circular shape. Now shape it by using moulds. Place 1 teaspoon of filling on a wrapper. Apply water on the edges and bring together the sides to seal the momos. Fourth step is to pour some water into a Italy steamer. You can use any steamer and let it come to boil. I have placed banana leaf on top. Now place the chicken momos on top. And now close it and steam it for 10 to 12 minutes and serve hot with tomato sauce. Chicken momos are best served immediately, like right out of the steamer. And now I am making shallow fry momos with BBQ sauce. Take a pan, add 2 tablespoon oil, place chicken momos on it. Shallow fry for 1 minute on both the sides. Add 1 cup of water in it. Close the lid and cook this for 2 minutes. Now adding 2 tablespoon BBQ sauce on it and fry this well for few minutes and then serve hot with tomato sauce. Making deep fried momos. Heat oil in a pan, place the chicken momos and deep fry till it becomes golden brown. And then serve this with tomato ketchup or any hot sauce. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Snap a pic and tag us on our Instagram page shimmys.kitchen. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, and when you do, click that little bell icon. See you in our next video. Till then, take care and happy cooking.